So this concludes today's makeup look. I am going to be doing like mini story giveaways. If you want a chance to win this giveaway, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Pimentel. In today's video, I'm going to do a chit chat get ready with me because I haven't spoken in a while and a lot is going on right now, so I need a minute. I need a minute to process everything and just talk about it because it's a lot, and I thought I'd do my makeup because I have a lot of new products that I want to show you guys that are really good. So yeah, sit back, grab your drink, and let's get started. Let me just quickly do the prep because that's just the boring bit. This is the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. This is a good one just for like illuminating, nothing crazy, just like glitter. You guys like my vinyls? I want to get some more. I want to fill this whole wall with just vinyls that I really love. If you have any cool websites that I can get some vinyls in the UK, because the ones in the US are really fun. The shipping's like £30 for one, and you know, money. I'm not paying £30 for one vinyl. I'll just travel to like Shoreditch. So yeah, if you know any good like UK shipping sites, comment down below. For foundation, I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation in the shade W058 Golden Natural. So yeah, where do I start? It's November now. For those of you that don't know, my birthday is in November. I'm a Sagittarius. My birthday is on the 29th. I don't know why I had to think about that. But yeah, it's my birth month this month, and I'm filming this today when it is election day in the USA. I don't live in the US, but I feel like whatever happens in the US just impacts the whole world. So I'm feeling very, very anxious, and I just don't know what is happening. Like, there's just so much going on, like with the voting and whatnot. So I'm trying to really just turn off my TV and not focus on it too much until the result actually comes out, and then I can deal with it. I can deal with how I'm feeling then, but until then, there's predicting that it's gonna last a few days. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep that very light. I don't have much to talk about when it comes to politics. This foundation is a good mix of a buildable but still skin-like foundation. It looks like it's got like a very velvet finish on the skin, which is really nice. It reminds me of the Estee Lauder, but a bit lighter than that. Like, I feel like the Estee Lauder is definitely a going out foundation, whereas this one still like peeks through some of my imperfections, which is fine. Like, this is a good everyday foundation if you're really into like bases, you know. Speaking of Estee Lauder, I'm gonna go in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer in the shade 2N, which is light medium. I'm just gonna apply a very small amount. Don't know if you guys know, but the UK is back on lockdown, so I'm not really that fussed about if my makeup's gonna set or stay in place during the day, so I'm not gonna do like any crazy setting and stuff. So yeah, I'm going for something more like out there, because why not? But yeah, as I said, the UK is on lockdown, and it's going to be on lockdown until the, I think, 2nd or 3rd, I don't even know, beginning of December. It's on lockdown till then. My birthday is on the 29th, so I will be spending my birthday indoors, unfortunately. I know, I remember the March birthdays and stuff, everyone was making fun of them, but now this has come around and it's our turn now, and I'm not feeling too happy about that because I had plans. I had moves to make. If anyone else is celebrating their birthday during lockdown, comment down below what you're going to be doing, because I need some inspo. I can't be doing this again, to be honest. I don't know how fun I can possibly make my birthday in my room. Like, what am I going to do? What? FaceTime my friends? I don't know. Whatever you guys did in March, let me know, because I need some inspo. I don't know how to deal with this. Currently just loving just using a brow gel or something to set my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I don't really like going with pencil and stuff because I really like the shape of them now. Like, I don't know what made me realize the eyebrows I have, but yeah, I just don't really touch them. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, please join us over there. Over this month, over the month of November, I am going to be doing like mini story giveaways. Is that what? Little like giveaways on my story, like secret ones for the real people out there that really interact with me, support me and stuff. So I just wanted to show back love and appreciation for you guys. So I'll be doing those over there. I am including all products I love, like cleansers, makeup, some really good stuff. I've invested my money into this. I went out and bought products and stuff that I genuinely feel like everyone needs. So I think it's going to be a good one, and I can't wait to like share these things with you guys. And it's like the Christmas season with lockdowns happening everywhere and stuff, people being in like vulnerable situations. I thought, why not just help people out and like lift spirits and stuff. I did one yesterday, like my first one yesterday, which is like lip products full of like Too Faced, which I love Too Faced lip injection. It's got a bunch of those, and some products are repeat products because I feel like everyone needs them, you know. So yeah, this is gonna be a fun month for you guys, and depending on like my mood, I guess, each giveaway is gonna have like different instructions or like how to enter kind of thing. So yesterday it was just like a post and follow me, and that was it. Maybe one day I'll be like, what's my favorite color, and the people that are out there, the real ones, would know this, and like stuff like that. So it's really, I think it'll be quite cool, you know. So yeah, I thought I'd just drop that in there because who doesn't love a giveaway? Like, I love free stuff, I love offers, I love free stuff. So yeah, I'm sure you guys do too. Also, I know some giveaways don't allow you to enter more than once, but this one you can enter as many times as you want. Like, if you have to like a post one day, like it. Like, I won't be like, oh, this person's already entered this one, so they're not doing this one, you know? Like, just give everyone a chance. So yeah, don't think you only have to enter one and think, oh, this is the one I need. Just enter all of them. Enter every single giveaway if you can. This highlight is fire. It's the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Mega Glow. No, in Precious Petals. That's the name. The name of the highlighter's Mega Glow, I think. But it's such a good price, and it's so like, what? This is definitely, Wet n Wild is featured a few times because they're one of my faves. Like, all my favorite brands are involved. Oola to like Biosense to like hair products, Bum Bum, but like honestly, this is like my month. November is, I'm claiming it as my month, so it's all about what I love, and I'm putting you guys on. I'm putting you guys on for Christmas, and just to treat yourself and those around you. This top literally took, I'm not even exaggerating, 3 weeks to arrive. I ordered it online, and it's from Stradivarius, I think that's how you pronounce it. I love it so much, but next time I'll just go into the store because the delivery was a joke. It was actually a joke, and half of it didn't come, and they refunded me half of my parcel, which I was so upset about because there was these nice boots that I really wanted, and they're just gone. So yeah, the delivery was a joke. So if you can go in store, if not, just firm the wait. I guess it was free delivery, so I can't complain, but I mean, I still want what I ordered, you know. So this lip gloss I just use is one of the types that I included in my giveaway, my first one. This is the lip injection, but obviously not this one. I just love their lip glosses. I've been a fan since they released like their first one. So these are fire, like, you know what I mean? They're just so fire. So this was a good ass giveaway. Don't worry, there might be more. There might not be, there might be. You don't know. So this concludes today's makeup look. I think the lips really complement the jumper and the gold accessories, which is why it just looks like, everything belongs together. The foundation was fire, and the concealer is growing to be one of my favorites. I just think it's a very good everyday but also nighttime concealer. It's very versatile is the word. Before you guys go, as I mentioned, I will be doing giveaways for this month. And before you leave, I have a giveaway for you guys. And this is gonna be my second giveaway, so you're in for a treat. My second giveaway has nothing to do with today's makeup look. It is going to be a skincare giveaway. I really want to get more into skincare talks on my YouTube and stuff, so I hope this kickstarts it. And this includes some of my favorite brands and some of my favorite products, and I'll talk you through like some of them just very briefly. So this little mini giveaway includes 4 items, and let me talk about the first one. This one is by Biossance. Biossance is one of my favorite brands. You already know this, like they're just clean, they're really good. I think they've genuinely changed my skin for the better, like their cleansers and stuff. Honestly, fire. Their cream, the gel one, fire. Like I could talk about them all day. This is their lactic acid night serum. This is really good for brightening the skin and just like making it look like you're not stressed, and like, you know, when your skin starts to show stress. We're going for a stressful time right now, so I know everyone's gonna need this. This includes 10% lactic acid, so if you know you can't handle that much, maybe think twice about using this. Be very cautious. Next, we have the Drunk Elephant Whipped Cream Moisturizer. I featured this on my YouTube already, I think, but this cream is just fire. It's bomb. Along with the luxury oil, this is up there with like the Drunk Elephant range in general. Like all their products are fire. Like if you can try them, please do, because they're very good. But I'm going to include this one in there because we're going into winter now and our skin's going to be dry regardless of like your skin type. I think everyone goes through dry skin during the winter, so this is a very good moisturizer, and it lasted me a long time, and it's just like cute, and it's a good way to introduce you to Drunk Elephant, so I'm going to include this too. And then we have this Ordinary product. This is more for if you're aging and you've got signs of like aging, wrinkles, fine lines, all of that stuff. If this isn't for you, just maybe think about someone around you that has fine lines and wrinkles, and maybe you could give this to them. And then finally we have the Florence by Mills Mind Glowing Peel Off Mask. I don't know why I read that slowly, but this is also for tired skin, so I think all of them, like the whole set of products, really are all about resurfacing your skin and making your skin look healthy and radiant again. If you want a chance to win this giveaway, follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and just leave a comment down below, just like what you're doing during lockdown, how you're feeling, if it's like a product you like, just an emoji, whatever you're feeling, just leave a comment down below and I'll just pick the winner at random. Again, as I mentioned, it can be international, it doesn't matter where you are. You can enter this giveaway, so yeah, good luck guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you again next time. Bye.